think you know a lot about the world. Get ready to have your mind blown. Number 9 is crazy. Here are 10 giant mysteries that science still can't explain in 2025. First up, dark matter. Scientists believe that 85% of all matter in the entire universe is completely invisible. I don't mean just hard to see, I mean completely undetectable. It doesn't reflect light. It doesn't absorb light. It doesn't interact with anything at all, except through gravity. Yet, this invisible stuff is so massive that it shapes entire galaxies, holding them together like cosmic glue. And here's the craziest part. After decades of searching with billion-dollar detectors, we still have absolutely no idea what dark matter actually is. Is it a new kind of particle we've never seen? Is it something non-physical, a new force of nature? Or is it just a massive glitch in our understanding of physics itself? Right now, nobody knows. Next, why do we sleep? We all know that sleep is vital. Without it, we can't function. But scientists don't actually know why. Think about it. Your body basically shuts down for a third of your life. You lie there paralyzed. You hallucinate wildly for hours and somehow you wake up feeling recharged. We understand the effects of not sleeping, sure, but the exact biological purpose of this bizarre process, it's still a complete mystery. Then there's the hum. All around the world, from Canada to New Zealand, Mexico to the UK, millions of people report hearing a strange, low-frequency sound. It's been nicknamed the worldwide hum. Some people describe it as a distant truck engine that's always running. Others hear a deep bass tone that just never stops. But when scientists place microphones and sensitive audio equipment in these areas, they often record nothing, not a single sound, not a vibration. Is it a geological phenomenon from deep within the earth? Is it atmospheric? Is it purely psychological, a mass auditory illusion? Or is it something else entirely? Scientists are still baffled. Let's talk about ball lightning. Imagine a normal lightning strike, but instead of a jagged bolt, it's a glowing sphere of light floating in the air. People have reported seeing these orbs drift calmly through open windows, move against the wind, and sometimes explode with a loud bang. It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but thousands of credible witnesses have seen it over the centuries. The problem is, modern cameras rarely capture it, and every experiment designed to recreate it in a lab has failed. So, physicists are left with a huge question. What is ball lightning actually made of? Plasma, microwaves, antimatter? We just don't know. Number 5 is incredible. Animals that can sense disasters. It's been documented for centuries. Just before major earthquakes, tsunamis, or volcanic eruptions, animals start acting very strange. Dogs will bark uncontrollably for no reason. Birds will take flight in massive, panicked groups. Cows will suddenly break free from their fields and run for higher ground. This happens so reliably that some countries have even started using animal behavior as part of their official early warning systems. But here's the mystery. Scientists have no idea what the animals are actually detecting. Is it tiny vibrations in the ground that our instruments can't pick up? Is it a shift in the Earth's magnetic field, or subtle changes in air pressure? Whatever it is, they can sense it, and we can't. Next, we have a creature that's basically immortal. It's called Toritopsis dohrnii, but it's better known as the immortal jellyfish. When this tiny animal gets old, sick, or injured, it does something that sounds impossible. It reverts itself back to its baby stage, a polyp. Then, it just starts its life over, growing up all again. And it can do this over and over and over. In theory, it could live forever, escaping death indefinitely. Scientists have figured out the biological process of how it does this, but they can't explain the bigger question. Why did this one species evolve biological immortality when almost no other creature on Earth did? Let's look out into space at fast radio bursts. These are unbelievably powerful bursts of radio energy that come from deep, deep space, millions or even billions of light years away. Some of them last for only a few milliseconds, a thousandth of a second, but in that tiny flash, they can release more energy than our sun produces in several days. But the most insane part, a few of them have been observed to repeat, sometimes in a pattern, almost as if they're targeted signals. So what are they? Are they exploding stars? Are they neutron stars with ridiculously strong magnetic fields, black holes colliding? Or could they be evidence of alien technology? In 2025, it remains one of the biggest mysteries in astronomy. Here's one you do every day. Yawning. Everybody does it. Humans, dogs, chimpanzees, even snakes and fish yawn. But why? The oldest theory was that we do it to get more oxygen, but that's been disproven. A more recent idea is that it helps cool the brain. Another theory suggests it's a social signal, a primitive form of communication to show empathy or alertness. But all of these theories have major holes in them, and scientists still can't agree on what yawning actually accomplishes for our bodies. Number 9 will break your brain. The placebo effect. This is a scientifically proven, real phenomenon. You can give a person a pill with absolutely nothing in it, just sugar. Tell them it's a powerful new medicine, and they can actually get better. People's pain has been shown to decrease, their wounds heal faster, and even symptoms of depression can improve, all from a fake treatment. But how is this possible? Is the brain physically rewriting its own chemistry just based on belief? Can your expectations literally change your own biology? Is consciousness far more powerful than we ever imagined? The placebo effect is real, yet it remains completely unexplained by science. And that brings us to the biggest mystery of all, consciousness itself. We can map every neuron in the human brain. We can measure the electrical signals firing between them. We can track every single chemical reaction happening inside your skull. And after all of that, we still have absolutely no idea how any of it creates a thought, or a memory, or a feeling of love or sadness, or the simple, profound experience of being you. Where does your inner voice come from? What is a subjective experience? The honest truth is, we don't know what consciousness is, where it comes from, or how it works. It is, without a doubt, the greatest scientific mystery of all time. It seems, the more we learn about the universe, the more we realize how little we actually know. If you enjoyed exploring these mysteries, make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which topic I should dive into for the next video. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.